Hi everyone and welcome back to Interview Chronicles Season 4. Today we are in the 18th episode of the series and we have Chavi here with us who has been recently placed at ION as a part of her campus placements at VIT. She is here to share her interview experience with us, but before we talk to her, let's look at the eligibility criteria given for this company. So, all the students belonging to computer science and circuit branches were eligible provided they had a CGPA of 7.5 or 75% in their 10th, 12th, as well as in their pursuing degree with no standing arrears. Now, let's go ahead and talk to Chavi and understand her experience interviewing for ION. Hi Chavi, firstly, welcome to my channel and congratulations on your placement. So, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, first of all, and thank you for having me here. I am Chavi Sharma, and I'm currently pursuing a BTech CSC degree with specialization in cyber physical systems from VIT Chennai. I have done my internship from Tata Motors and was recently placed in Ion Group as a software developer.
Right.
I'm also a freelancing digital artist and graphic designer.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. You can now tell us about the placement process, like how many rounds were there and what they comprised of.
Okay. So the placement process started with the shortlisting of the applied candidates who had their online test on 2nd of August at their own location. So then the new shortlisted students then had their first interview, which was the technical round. In this round, I was asked questions on DSA, what the structure I should use on a particular scenario, which was given to me.
Right.
And I was asked questions on a puzzles, like camel and bananas question was given to me. Uh, he also asked me about like oops concepts, how would I implement it on, like how did I implement it on my projects,
Right.
and also he gave me a question on traffic signal system and
Hmm.
how would I implement it on that.
Hmm.
And lastly, he asked me about the most difficult thing I faced until now and how did I overcome it.
Okay.
So right after that, he took my case study round as well.
Okay.
So he presented his screen, yeah, and he presented a screen, and there was a scenario on a company, and he asked me questions like if I would to consult on that company, and so questions were as the I would have to give the SWOT analysis, the marketing
Okay.
strategies,
Hmm.
the cost optimization, and
Hmm.
how would I help the company to stand out in the market.
Hmm.
So that was the whole case study and the technical round. So together it took about 1.5 hours.
Okay.
Uh, so that the same night, I got a mail for my third interview, which was the the stakeholder round.
Okay.
Uh, the next day, I had my stakeholder round where I was asked questions on my resume. So basically, like the questions I had done, what problems I faced, and what would I have done if the output was not as accurate.
Hmm.
Uh, he asked me questions on like how did I come up with the solution to the question, whether the problem statement that was introduced to me on my in my internship. So
Right.
he was basically asking the SDLC approach of it. And then he also asked me like again the basic oops concepts, and there was another puzzle which was the egg dropping one. So after 2 to 3 days, I got a mail which stated that I had to go to Noida and for the
Hmm.
ION day for the culture fit round. So the culture fit round was held on 11th of August for
Okay.
the ION day. It was a group discussion round. So it was taken by the country head of the company.
Okay.
So he asked us about our name, role applied, family background, native place, location preference,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
all, higher education plans. And all. So he asked basic behavioral questions. And lastly, there was this rapid fire round where we each had like 30 seconds to answer on a topic. So this like whole culture fit round took about 30 minutes at max.
Hmm.
And that same night, I returned to Chennai, and the next day, I got a mail regarding my future fit round, which was the last like, interview. And in this round, I was asked about like projects on my resume,
Okay.
my work experiences.
Hmm. Hmm.
He again asked me certain HR-based questions, behavioral questions like strengths and weaknesses,
Right.
and he also wanted to know like what idea I had about finance and
Hmm.
microeconomics.
Hmm.
So this interview, like future fit round, also took place about 15 minutes.
Okay.
So, and after that interview, that day itself, I got a mail saying that I've been provisionally selected and full-time software
Okay.
developer at IO.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
So that's
great.
how.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. Congratulations again, and thank you so
Thank you.
much for sharing your experience with us. And Do you have any suggestions or anything that you want to share for your juniors or for people who are trying to get placed? Anything based on your experience?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to say that don't hesitate to reach out. Like, look for good resources.
Hmm.
Smart work. Like, for example, for me, I had gone through these GFG archives for my ION interviews.
Hmm.
I got to know like how should I prepare for them, what questions I should prepare. I didn't know about the puzzles thing,
Hmm.
so I got to know what puzzles are, how many questions I should prepare. So it helps a lot.
Hmm.
So you can do like via that you can research how you should prepare for the particular company you are
Right.
looking for. And also like there is no such thing as it's too late or you can't prepare for your
Hmm.
placements.
Hmm.
Like nothing is going to work out. And many of my friends are there, like they haven't started or they are just stuck at some place. Just be consistent, have that discipline, work hard, and then everything will work out for the best.
Right. Right. Okay. Thank you so much for your suggestions and for sharing your experience. I'm sure it's gonna help many people. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you all for watching. If you did like this video, if you found this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. And all the best on your placements. Thank you all for watching.